Oh, they're sleeping. Okay. Oh, who is this?
That's B-Sissy.
That's B-Sissy?
Yeah.
Who's B-Sissy?
That's B-Sissy. Whoa.
The Johnson's four-house mailbox complex bit the dust. It was very old.
Everyone's probably wondering what's happening to the mailbox.
What do we do?
Oh, Randy, how long is it going to take to fix this?
Oh, just minutes, I'm sure.
We dug a 24-inch hole, avoiding a storm drain, all in 90-degree heat. Time for a break. That was really hard work. Thanks. Looks good. Seven 50-pound bags of concrete. Job complete and well done. Well, Randy installed the mailboxes and Shayna distributed the keys. We had tea time. Oh, pretty neat.
Oh, thank you, Evie.
We'll have a second cup of tea out on the deck. Lots of fun things to look at.
I'll be right back. I'm gonna get some more tea, okay? I'll be right back. I'm gonna go. You have to go right back. Tea in it. Where's the cup from? I threw it inside it.
Thank you, Eva. Thank you
You like
very
her
much.
hairstyle?
We need more. We need more.
Yum, 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 yum. Oh, would you like some ice?
Oh, sure.
With some green tea?
Delicious.
There you go, Eva. That was very tasty. Yum, yum, yum.
We should.
Yum, 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 yum.
Mama
Hey.
back.
Mama's back.
We're not going to be able to go down tonight?
Instead, we get to go out for some tasty food.
Bring a mini, huh?
It's delicious tea. Very, very yummy. Oh, that's
Piggy tiger.
Yeah. There.
You need to get up at time.
Up we go. Wee.
Piggy's very, very tired.
Time to relax after a good day's work.
Wee.